Ever wondered what Bitcoin is and how it works? Welcome to the intriguing world of Bitcoin, a revolutionary digital marvel that's been redefining the realm of currency since its inception in 2009. Bitcoin, often abbreviated as BTC, is a decentralized cryptocurrency, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. It was introduced to the world by an anonymous entity or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonym shrouded in mystery that sparked countless debates and theories about the real identity behind it. Bitcoin operates over a network known as the blockchain, a kind of digital ledger that records all transactions and ensures their security and transparency. This digital currency can be broken down into smaller units, with the smallest being called a Satoshi, named after its enigmatic creator. Bitcoin's rise in popularity has paved the way for the birth of numerous other cryptocurrencies, transforming the financial landscape as we know it. Now you might be wondering, how does Bitcoin actually work? Let's dive into it. So, how does Bitcoin, this digital currency, operate, you may ask? Well, it's a fascinating process that involves a cutting-edge technology called blockchain. At its core, blockchain is a public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Think of it as a massive digital notebook shared among millions of computers worldwide. This decentralized nature of blockchain ensures that no single entity has control over Bitcoin, keeping it free from manipulation or censorship. Now let's talk about the process of mining. No, we're not talking about pickaxes and hard hats. In the world of Bitcoin, mining is the act of verifying transactions. Miners, who are individuals or groups with powerful computers, solve complex mathematical problems to verify these transactions. Once they crack the problem, they add the transaction to the blockchain. This not only keeps the system secure, but also ensures the validity of every single Bitcoin transaction. But here's the catch. Bitcoin rewards for miners are halved every 210,000 blocks. This event, known as Bitcoin halving, effectively reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. The most recent halving happened in 2020, and it's a process that ensures Bitcoin's scarcity, contributing to its value over time. Lastly, let's talk about the smallest unit of Bitcoin, the Satoshi, named after the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. One Bitcoin can be broken down into 100 million Satoshis. This divisibility allows for microtransactions and makes Bitcoin accessible, even if its price seems high. Now that we understand how Bitcoin operates, let's explore how you can acquire it. Interested in getting your hands on some Bitcoin? Here's how. First off, you can buy Bitcoin directly from cryptocurrency exchanges. Think of these exchanges like your traditional stock markets, but for digital currencies. You can use your hard-earned fiat currency, like dollars or euros, to purchase Bitcoin. Another way to acquire Bitcoin is through mining. This isn't mining in the traditional sense. There's no need for a pickaxe or a hard hat. Bitcoin miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they solve a problem, they add a block to the Bitcoin blockchain and are rewarded with Bitcoin. But remember, whether you're buying or mining, you'll need a place to store your Bitcoin. This is where digital wallets come in. These wallets can be online on your computer or even on a physical device. They're like your personal bank for Bitcoin, keeping your digital currency safe and secure. So, you've got your Bitcoin, but what can you do with it? You've probably heard stories of people buying pizza with Bitcoin, but what else can you do with this cryptocurrency? Well, the possibilities are broad and exciting. Let's start with the basics. Bitcoin is a decentralized form of currency, meaning it's not tied to any government or institution. This makes it a universal type of money that can be used for transactions across the globe without the need for currency conversion. So, whether you're in Tokyo, Toronto, or Timbuktu, Bitcoin speaks your language. But it's not just about sending and receiving money. A growing number of businesses, both big and small, are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. From online retailers and service providers to restaurants and travel agencies, Bitcoin is making its way into everyday commerce. And it's not just for spending. Many people see Bitcoin as an investment opportunity, much like stocks or gold. Its value fluctuates, sometimes wildly, which can be a bit of a roller coaster ride. But for those with a taste for risk and the potential for high returns, Bitcoin offers an exciting new frontier in the world of finance. But here's where it gets really interesting. Some people see Bitcoin as more than just a currency or an investment. They see it as a store of value, a digital equivalent to gold. This perspective views Bitcoin not just as a means of exchange, but as a way to preserve wealth over time. To sum it all up, Bitcoin offers a wide range of uses, from a universal form of payment to a volatile investment opportunity, and even a potential store of value. It's a new way of thinking about money that's shaking up the traditional financial system. Bitcoin is more than just digital money, it's a revolution in how we think about and use currency. So whether you're spending, investing, or simply holding on to it, Bitcoin opens up a world of possibilities. So, there you have it, the world of Bitcoin, simplified. We've traversed the decentralized landscape of Bitcoin, exploring the ingenious blockchain technology that underpins it. This peer-to-peer network, free from the control of a central authority, is truly a marvel of the digital age. We also delved into the mathematical labyrinth that is Bitcoin mining, where miners work tirelessly to verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. This process, while complex, forms the backbone of Bitcoin's robust security mechanism. Then, we dipped our toes into the various means of acquiring Bitcoin, from purchasing it on exchanges to becoming a part of a mining pool. It's a testament to Bitcoin's versatility that there's more than one way to get your hands on this digital gold. And let's not forget the myriad uses of Bitcoin, from being an alternative form of payment to acting as a store of value. With more merchants and online businesses accepting cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is not just a speculative asset but a functional currency too. Whether you're a potential investor, a curious onlooker, or a future miner, understanding Bitcoin is your first step into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.